Alright, y'all. Thanks for catching the vibe in Lindsay's world. Welcome to our channel. Or my channel. Welcome to my channel, because my family don't be on here all the time like I do. But if you're new, welcome, subscribe, pass on the word. I do lifestyle content, travel vlogs when I can, and nursing. I'm a nurse. Currently, I'm a NICU nurse. I went back to neonatal ICU. But I love vlogging. When I have a moment, I'm trying to be more consistent. But anyway, down to the nitty gritty. This is part 2 of my haul for Halloween. Mind you, I never really did Halloween before. This is kind of like my first year really doing Halloween. And like I said on my last video, if you have time, go back. Hopefully you do have time to go back and watch my previous video. But basically on that video, I was saying that I'll always do fall. I've been in this home for like 5 years now, and I've always did fall decorations. And even before that, I've always decorated. My mother loved decorating. So I feel like that's where I mostly got it from. She loved doing holidays. She was really down for every holiday. It has spread it to me, fortunately. So yeah, here we are. So I decided to do Halloween more on the grown-up side instead of like kitty vibes and things like that. So here's the second haul. Me and my friend went this past Saturday to a neighboring town, about an hour from me. It was a nice little drive, a nice little outing for us. So it was fun. We had a good time. We caught up and everything like that. So I just want to show you the second part of my haul, just in case you might want to find those things. The stores that I went to is HOMEGOODS, TJMAXX. I think that's it. And I did get something from Marshall's, but I got it back when we got back home. She didn't come with me, but I went that next day and got something. And also, too, I found this thing that so I watch other vloggers, too, that shop. One that I watch, her name is Pretty and Flawed. And she's based in California, and she goes around different stores just showing us like what they got in store. And I love to shop on YouTube before I go out, so I can know what I'm looking for. Oh, I like that. So I can know what I'm looking for. So I found something I'm going to show y'all at the very end that I found that I've been looking for. And I didn't find it this weekend at the place me and my friend traveled to. And I didn't find it back at the TJMAXX at home, but I found it at one by my sister's house. I went to that store on, was it Sunday? Sunday evening. I went to that store. Sure did. Sure did. So I'm excited to show y'all about that. But let's get started. So, I don't know if this is a new thing or not, but this is a candle I got from At Home for $9.99. And it's a bleeding candle. Apparently when you light it up, it will bleed red. I don't know what's going on with my throat. I just had some water. What's happening? It's this weather change. The humidity is hot. It been thunder and lightning and stuff. I don't know what's going on in the GA, honey. But anyway, I also got this from, I need to clean the bottom of it. I'm going to get to that in a little bit. I also purchased this. It gives it like a rustic like little look. I found this in the clearance aisle at home. And it was marked as $20. $19.99, but they had 75% off, so that took me to $4.99. So my plan is to put this on top. I wanted to find like a hand or something to like hold it in. So I don't know, that was my vision. I didn't see it. That was just a vision that I had to hold it like this, but I couldn't find one. So if y'all have any idea where I can find a hand like this that's holding the heart, let me know. But I'm fine with this, honestly, but it'll be nice to just know. But $4.99, okay, for the candle holder. Next, what I got on the haul was this beautiful pumpkin. I got this from At Home because I've been looking for a black pumpkin to put outside with the theme that I have. And if you go back to the last vlog I just posted, you'll see the thing that I am going for, and this matches it perfectly. So I'm so excited about that. Martha Stewart did this pumpkin. and it was $19.99 at the Home Goods. So yeah, that's that. Got me a black pumpkin. I've been looking for one everywhere. Now, mind you, you can find a black pumpkin, but it has a jack-o'-lantern on it, kitty-ish. I mean, it's fine. I just didn't want to go that route with the jack-o'-lanterns, okay? Jack-o'-lanterns scream kitty to me, or kids. Which I do have kids, but again, my kids are 20 and 12. They're older, middle school, out of school, grown, okay? So, no, I kind of want to do my type of vibe. Still, you know, Halloweenish, but, you know, hey. Y'all, let me tell y'all what I forgot. So, I went to Michael's too, me and my friend, this past Saturday. And I got 2 of these, which they didn't have these in my area. I'm going to split them up, I think, like, and just stick them into the situation that I'm trying to do outside of my French porch. But these were $9.99 a piece, and I forgot they had sent a 25% off coupon. So look for your coupons, and I had saved it in my wallet, like on my phone wallet. I don't know how I forgot that, but I did. Yeah, I paid. I feel like these were overpriced, but they do seem really sturdy and they will last a long time. I don't think Michael's gonna sell with their Halloween stuff. Like, if they do, let me know. Like, I mean, I don't think they be having a sale with their Halloween stuff. Maybe later when the season's about to come. Maybe next month in September. But as of right now, no. I just got these 2 stems. That's all I needed. That's what I wanted to splurge on. But that's that. So the next item I'm about to show you is a salt and pepper shaker. I thought it was so cute. I seen it on one of the vlogs that I watch again. And I was like, oh my gosh, I hope I run into the item. And when I was in the city that me and my friend went to, I ran into this item. Here lies salt. Here lies pepper. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. $4.99 at home. I hope y'all can see it because it is a glimmer on here. There we go. Here lies salt. Here lies pepper. That is so cute, y'all. I thought this was so cute when I seen it. So, yeah. The next item I'm going to show you, I got from Walmart. Yes, okay. So I got this a couple of days before I got my friend. These were $4.79. This is My Texas House by Aaron Vogelpohl. And there are 2 taper candles for $4.79. There are ravens on it. I don't know if you could see. I'm trying to show y'all. I think y'all can see like the print. There we go. They're ravens and like crows or whatever. Are there jack-o'-lanterns on here too? Pumpkins. There are pumpkins in here, and I was gonna put those leading to what I bought too. These candle holders. These are so cute. It's giving sexy, and you know it's for my girl Rachel Zoe. I love me some Rachel Zoe. I really do. I got these because it don't look Halloween. Like, I picked up some. They have some cute, like, look, if you're doing like a carnival thing, like, I wish I should take a picture of it, but they got like these orange and black ones, or these white and black ones that's giving like a Beetlejuice vibe, and the orange and black ones giving like that carnival thing, kind of like Michael's line, what Michael's got out now. It's giving that thing. Yeah, these were $20, and I do like, in case I want to switch up the theme, I still have black ones. So these are so cute, and it's giving like a cute, sexy vibe. I like that. And so I plan on sticking these candles inside. So that's that. The next item. Oh my gosh. I have grown to love these. They're going to go on like a actually kind of like a cadenza like I have downstairs. I have like a sage and gold one downstairs that I just personally just purchased. These, look y'all, I started just getting one, but I decided to get 2. These were $16.99 each. They are really sturdy. They are so cute. They're snack bowls. I thought this was so cute, like to put our little candy. I love to put candy on my foyer table around this time anyway. So I thought this would be so cute to put downstairs. What is this, like a medal, like a gold medal? But it's so cute. It's giving a cute little ghostly vibe. I thought that was cute. Next one, oh my gosh. I was going into the aisle of HOMEGOODS, leaving out, and I decided to get this candle. It's so cute and it smells so good. It's giving like a cinnamon apple. Let me see. Cinnamon apple, fresh. You know those broomsticks that those cinnamon broomsticks that you stick on your sofa or around the fall time, or you walk into Kirkland's and how it smell? This is what that smells like. Oh my gosh, and it says Hocus Pocus. So I plan on putting this on my table, like my wish table that I plan on making. Also, too, you know, from the last week, I have like a moss theme going on that I'm going to put on that front table, like witches and skulls and stuff. But it has the moss at the bottom. I'm going to leave this in this bag because it's kind of mossy. And I can also add more, but I found this witch with these flowers on there. Hence the pumpkin. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I don't know if they be going together when they be making this stuff. I don't know, but I don't know why I keep using this cute word, but it's giving what I wanted to give, okay? The vision that I have for Halloween, I'm having a great time with this haul. I really am. This is by, I hope I say this right, Tahari Home. So I've seen some of her stuff in that home too, and I'm not at HOMEGOODS. I've seen some of her stuff in there, but she has like the moss. Let me see if I can take it all the way out. It's kind of mossy. She has like the moss at the end of it. I thought it was so cute. She don't have her arms are like situated right here. She is $16.99 and I got her from TJMAXX. And then the last thing I got, the last one, I will not be picking up no more Halloween stuff. I got enough, okay? Because I'm going to have a mixture of that plus some of my fall stuff out. So I think that's too much. But the last thing I got when I went in Marshall's, like, what was it? I went in there after, I think I probably went in there the same day after me and my friend left each other. But y'all, even when I run this up, the lady was like, oh, I thought these were separate books. These are like Halloween books that I'm gonna put on the shelf. I thought it was so cute. It says Dracula, Frankenstein, The Fall of the House of Usher, and The Raven. So this was by Edgar Allan Poe. This was from Marshall's for $10, $9.99. And I just love how these looks like this little velvet, different textures of the books is giving, like, you know, like it's a decor piece, but it's giving books. So I thought that was cute. And that's that. So let me show you the piece, y'all, that I bought, that I've been looking for, that I told you that my girl showed on her vlog. But I did not have any luck to find it until I got to TJMAXX at my sister's house. So let me show y'all real quick. Y'all, look at her. Look at her. Oh my gosh. Okay, y'all. I'm going to insert a picture of how she looked before because I painted her. She was another complexion and I decided to paint her how I wanted to paint her. So that's what I did on my day off today, y'all. And I went and got some metallic, like, because basically like when I painted her brown, her metallic like color kind of like faded away, got painted over it, and she started to look dry. So what I ended up doing was I mixed some paint that I already had. I had some dark brown and white, mixed that together with some yellow hues because y'all know we have different undertones. So I mixed her with some like golden yellow to make her color a little lighter. And then I also mixed a little red in there to get this complexion that I got. And so, like I said, I went and got some metallic paint for her cheeks. And I painted her eyebrows again, y'all. I'm obsessed with her now. I think this is my favorite of her that I have. And I love that I did that. I'm so proud of myself. It is so cute, y'all. It's so cute. So, that is it. That is the haul. And, yeah. All right, that's it. Thanks for catching the vibe in Lindsay's world. Subscribe, hit that notification button, that bell, pass on the word, help our channel continue to grow. And I will continue to try to post as much as I can when I can. I'm trying to. I love to do it. So let me continue to do it. But I need to slow down the Halloween haul. That is it for now. That should be it. As enough is enough. It's enough. Because I don't want to get overcrowded and be looking crazy and just throw up of Halloween. So I feel like I have got what I needed to get. Okay? I feel like that's what happened. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope you have happy hunting while you're out there, whether you do Halloween or fall or decor, whatever. Have fun with it, whatever you do. Until next time, y'all be blessed. Bye now.